Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add background music to your Canva videos in just a few simple steps. So first open your Canva project and select the video you are working on. On the left hand side, click on the audio tab. Canva has built-in library of music tracks you can explore. You can search by mood or generation or simple scroll to find the right vibe of your video. If you already downloaded the music, then you just have to go on uploads, then go to upload files, and this will open your file explorer and go to downloads. And as you can see here, there are my downloaded videos, so you can also use this. Once your music is appear in Canva, just drag it and drop it into the timeline at the bottom. You can trim the length and move it around, even adjust it, something like this. And you can even adjust the volume so it perfectly fits as the background music. So I am keeping this of 50 63, and that's it. Your video is now has background music to make it more engaging. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.